not mixing it yet. We're just placing them on top of each other.
And so we got activator, beads,
Okay,
sparkles, paint, soap, lotion,
yeah,
shaving
so
cream.
this next slime, we are adding a bit of a bigger chunk because it's not very good.
That one's actually really.
So, do you think this is a good chunk? So we're adding that in. And some of the bad slimes are going to probably turn good. So sorry if this is unorganized to you guys. We're just sort of adding them both of us at the same time. Maybe a little bit less. Because this one was a big keeper for us. So like, that much. This is the fluffy pink. And
So I'll just
if you guys are confused, you should probably go watch the other video. So this is the milk slime that we would rather much call other things. Yeah. Okay. Do you think this is good?
Yeah. This slime is.
Would you want to add any more of that, or do you think that's good? Okay.
This is the peach slime.
Oh, this is the peach slime. I'm gonna add this $7 terrible crappy slime.
I think this is good. No, yes.
Ugh. If you guys want to know exactly what we're talking about, you should probably go watch. Oh, sticky.
Is this good?
Sticky. Yeah, that's true. You should probably go watch the other video.
This bag is even
Just
broken.
Really? Ugh, this is really good. The other video we just filmed explained everything that we're doing right now. So I'm just gonna leave this terrible slime in there because it's too messy.
This slime.
Oh yeah, we can add like, I don't want to add all of it, but like we're gonna add like this much more. Just a bit more, like that much. So that was the cottage cheese slime. Cottage cheese. Oh, okay. Don't add all of that so it doesn't wreck it, but add quite a big chunk because I don't want it.
This feels like fart pudding.
This is really gross. This is the worst challenge ever. So this is what our masterpiece is looking like. I'm not mixing it exactly. I'm just comment down below right now what color you think it's going to turn. I think it's going to turn brown.
But we have a purple here.
So do we have any more slimes to mix?
Nope.
And besides that, okay. So those are all the slimes. So now we are just going to mix. So
I need activator just in case.
I actually
split it in half so I can have.
Oh, this is turning out really bad. Oh, guys, look at this. This is turning out really bad. It's like it actually looks nice right now, sort of. It looks like rainbow, but the texture is really weird.
I think it was that last one that we put in that gave it this texture.
Oh, I know all the beads from like the big foam.
Here, do you want to put some activator?
So, wait, let's just show them the color. Make sure it's a bit more, and then we can show them the final color. Mine is turning like a gray.
Mine's like a...
Yeah. I think
Gray
our slime
purple.
is going to be a grayish purple, in my opinion. This looks like a grayish purple. Well, I might actually keep this, I guess, then, because, you know what, slime smoothie, we may as well. Okay, do you want to add this in? Okay, so now we are going to add only a few beads because this slime cannot hold beads. So we're going to only add that many because the slime cannot handle beads.
We should make a satisfying.
Okay, we don't need activator too hard. So now we're going to add some spray glitter. So
do you want to add some soap / scent?
Sure. I don't know if it has enough left, so I might have to like open the whole thing unless it comes out here. There we go. I have some on top of that. It looks like a freaking dessert, guys. Look
and then there's shaving cream.
Look
Do
at
we want
this
some
dessert.
shaving cream?
Add some shaving cream.
Paint.
So it's our masterpiece.
Just paint if you want to.
Okay, we'll add that after we mix this stuff in. So it's gonna turn stringy. I know.
Wait, can I play with it?
Yeah, go in. We'll have to mix this for sure.
Okay, wait, I'm gonna take some. It's getting stretchier.
For sure.
Wow. I wish I took all my bracelets off.
Oh, this is turning out.
It's totally getting stretchier.
Ooh, this is turning out good. So we're gonna end this and wait until we'll show the next clip once this is ready. Hey guys, so we're going to add a bit of blue color to each of our little chunks. This is okay right now. So I'm just gonna add one splat and one splat, and then we're gonna stop this and show it when all of this is mixed in. Hey guys, so it didn't change the color because we didn't add too much, but it's a little bit swirled now. So we're just gonna add a bit more of texture to it. Whoa. I'm sorry. So we're just gonna mix
I
this
love the
on
feeling when you
I
add
know.
stuff like
So this is not terrible slime. I just hate it because all the beads are falling out. Not the best, but you know, it's better than this.
that. Yeah.
So, see the beads are flinging everywhere when I do that, or even when I just do that, like the beads all on me. I'm gonna add a bit more too. We're just adding. See if we can some. Oh guys. Oh,
That's
snap. We added way too much. I like doing this. I like to touch the shaving cream, but I hate when you touch the color full on like say this was all coloring and then you go. That just disturbs me. But you know what, shaving cream doesn't bother me because I'm gonna get my hands all up in this shaving cream, bro.
We should make a satisfying video.
Oh, this is so satisfying.
You should make a satisfying video after
Yeah, we
this.
should. This
On
is
your channel, though.
Okay. Or wait, you know what we should do on my channel? Relatable / awkward funny things and stuff like that happen to people. Just relatable stuff. Do you want
Things
to?
that disturb me. And things that I hate in my life, sure.
Or it's one thing. Sorry, we're just a brainstorm.
Just check out her channel
Okay, so-
and see what we're talking about.
Hi girls, did you have fun at the pool?
Hi.
Oh, you guys are doing it. Is it a lively?
No, it's a YouTube video. We're mixing this into the sun. This is so gross.
He's so embarrassed. It's making my hands itchy.
Me too.
We messed this up.
Mine worked. Add it.
Mine just gotta
Okay, we did it, guys. This is our final product. I hate this so much. It's going right in the trash. Right. Oh, wait. Look at this. I can give it to somebody for a beautiful Christmas present. Yeah. Totally what I wanted.
Give it to Talina. Her birthday is on Sunday.
Okay, well, see you guys. Oh, you can.
Okay, yeah. See you guys in my next video.
Check out my channel to see more stuff. We're filming 2 videos tonight, like we are on my channels.
Yes.
Okay,
Good
see ya.
luck.
Bye.
I shouldn't have done that. Bye. Like and
Bye.
subscribe.